don't know. Can you outsmart the dog?
No.
I'm recording now.
You're recording? Got no light. There's light. Okay, we're going to weld the tubing on that we just cut. Make a frame. That's above that 1/2-inch plate. Brent says I know what I'm doing.
I don't think you know what you're doing.
A little closer.
Close enough.
Okay. Where's your clamps?
Where's all the clamps you got?
I don't have any clamps.
I'm gonna go get a clamp from the front?
Stinking clamp.
Huh? I don't need no stinking clamp.
We got thread here. We don't need no stinking clamps.
I don't need no stinking clamp.
Okay, how far are we having this out yet?
Build the frame first, dude, and then put it on there and weld it.
Dudes around here.
He hates it. See, you don't like it if I call him dude. But.
I'm thinking right there looks good.
Yeah, but go ahead and build the frame first. Take it and weld the frame to the
What do I
base.
weld the frame on?
Huh? Just right there. Move everything else to the side. Huh?
You got no flat around here, well,
That's why I asked you why we weren't doing it somewhere else first.
there's a rug over there.
Why don't you do it in the rug? You could flip it. You could flip this over. You could flip it over and do it. Flip it up and do it. Hey, watch your back. Ouch, that's heavy. That's heavy.
Don't scratch the door.
Don't let it fall on you.
Scooby! Hey! Look at that dog. Scooby wanted over here. Scooby, what are you doing over here? Scooby's gonna get close.
You weld the frame, I'll take Scooby up front.
Alright, Scooby's gonna need some help.
I got some pizza. So he's working on that. I gotta rescue Scooby from getting
Scooby
welded.
did that damn. We don't have a welding hook for Scooby.
Let's get some pizza. Come on.
There you go. Alright, go. Yeah, go. Go, Scooby. Fred's gonna help you. Alright. Fred doesn't like me welding by myself. We need to make sure it's a square, so we use the wood right here. Check it. Make sure it's square. Make sure that wood's straight. Oh, got a problem here. Yeah, we'll do that one later. Alright, we'll make it like that. That's good enough. Where's my dikes go? Junk in my way. Dark to see. Have one. Butter it on, right? Yeah, what's the number over here? Oh, almost wet. Straight edge. Yeah, there's my straight edge over here. Yeah, that's straight enough. Too wide. Yeah, we'll close it up a little bit. off there. We need something different here. It was flat until I bent it. Now it's not flat no more. Yeah, tired of you? This didn't work very good, Brett. All wound up.
Working?
Kinda.
Kinda?
Dark in there, can't see. Welding is wrong.
Scooby, don't move that. You're gonna get hurt. You're gonna get hurt.
All right.
Does that work?
Kinda. Way too much heat.
So,
Wire number 3. About as far as a pellet. Yeah, every voltage in the shop.
I guess I'm in.
The noise going too. The noise is on. Did you break in yet?
Oh, he's stuck.
It kind of flattened back out.
Putting too much heat to it there, Tatro.
Then it bowed up and then it twisted all the hell. Put me in number 2.
Number 2. You're at number 2.
Number 2 ought to be a big improvement over number 1. Problem is the helmet's so dark I can't see a damn thing with it.
Why don't you have a damn... It changes the... No?
The problem is, I don't know, it's the light or something makes the helmet dark when you're looking through it.
Yeah.
You can't see it.
Let's see, you don't have a workbench, you don't have a right working light, you don't have
Yeah, but I have a knee.
a place in plain in the dark.
What's wrong? You say there's something wrong?
No, I didn't say there's anything wrong.
Yeah, good. Give me my water. It's still be broken again.
Scooby, how are you getting back here? What are you doing? What the? Why are you so scared, Scooby? Come on. Go back this way. Scooby, go back over here.
Scooby watching me well.
I got him looking the other direction, but he's pretty shaky right now.
That's Scooby for you. Shit. Got too much heat. We'll be back. What are you doing, Scooby? Scooby won't leave me alone. It's cold down there on the floor. His breath, you can see it. He's got hot breath, y'all. Okay, we got all this welded up. I locked Scooby outside the door out here, and then he went around the gate. I got a 300-pound gate out there. He kicked that damn thing open, went out that, and cruising the neighborhood. Yeah, he's cruising the neighborhood looking for me. Oh well. More damn tape and crap on here. Alright, well, I got this all welded up. Look out, Scooby, on my feet. So the welds get better when I can see what I'm doing better. There. So I weld it in the corners, and I weld it right in the center. So if I want to take this off down the road, it can come off relatively easily. So this is big enough it'll sit on the cross braces on here. Underneath here is 2 cross braces, right here and here. And I'm going to put another one right here, so there'll be 3 cross braces. Alright, good, you found a good piece to cut up. So we'll do that. So I'm going to have to I'll go ahead and cut this down, weld this in. Try to get Scooby out of here so he can get blinded, which is hard to do. I got to grind this flat here so it'll sit flat. And then I got a new top to go on that, which was over here. So I had this water jetted out for a friend of mine did that for me. So that should fit right on top of this. There's a few big booger welds I got to cut off, like right here. There's a couple bigger ones too. So it'll sit flat on that, and then I'll weld that on top of this one, and that'll make this more flush, and it'll cover up all the holes and crap below it. And I'm trying to get Scooby not to watch me, but he won't leave me alone. Every blockade we set up over there, he comes through. He's a big boy. He wants me. He's afraid of the rain outside. Yeah, that's right. All right, so we're gonna work on this a little bit, and we'll be back here when I get further along.